Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you could start developing Angular applications. To start developing Angular applications, we have to install the tools needed for the development, okay? And the first tool that we're going to use is the npm. What is npm? npm is the node package manager for manage our dependencies, our node dependencies, okay? npm private packets, building amazing things. Yeah, npm is a node package, is a package manager for the JavaScript programming language, okay? And it has a CLI bundled with it, and with the CLI you can install, you could remove, you could do many things with your dependencies, things that in other time you do with your hands, okay, manually. And it has the same purpose of Maven, yeah, and the Maven has a POM XML, and this one has a package JSON that has all your dependencies and their respective versions. Okay, so for install npm you have to install the node.js runtime, and the npm you come bundled together with node. Okay, so to install we can search node install. Okay, and installing node.js via package manager. If you are on Windows, you can easily install by installing the executable. Okay, and as we are in Ubuntu, we're going to access our other link, that is installing Node.js via package manager. I'm going to click on the Debian in Ubuntu because my system is Ubuntu. I'm using Ubuntu 16. I know that I have to update it, but I'm a little lazy for do this. Installing instructions, okay, and you're going to execute these two commands. First we're going to execute this for this one, and the second one is this one. You're going to download a script, yeah, that you install all the packages, all the links on your Ubuntu. And when you type this other command on the terminal, then you'll know what is this. Okay, so when you finish executing these two commands, you open the terminal and type node -v, yeah, and the version that we are using is the 10.16. okay, and the right section is this. When you are beginning on this thing, you have to, it's better for you to try to use the stable features, okay, and I recommend this other one, the 12 or 11 as well, for advanced developers, yeah, that could have a problem with a new feature released, and faster than a beginner solve the problem or find a solution on the internet. Yeah. So with Node 10X installed, we're going to install the Angular CLI. Angular CLI is a tool that has many powers. And the first and most important is to create an Angular app like this. With only typing NGNU, you could have a Angular app completely scaffolded for you. Okay. There is other time of front-end development that this is all made by hands, and it was awful. Okay. In Ubuntu, we're going to execute this command with sudo on the front, because in Linux you have problem with permissions if you don't put the sudo on the beginning. Okay. Always remember to put sudo with -g. What is -g? -g is to install the package globally in a way that you can type ng and they will find Angular CLI for you. I will put my password here, and if you put Angular CLI in this way, they will download the latest version of Angular CLI. It is a good thing, unless you are already on Angular CLI 9 or 10 and something of this tutorial could probably not work. But this is a little further. We're going to create a workspace for us. Workspace, and in there we're going to create a new app called Angular app. Okay, would you like to add Angular routing? Yeah, you're going to put yes there, CSS or SCSS. We're going to be a little modern here and use SCSS. And now the app is being created. Takes a little moment because the npm are installing the dependencies for you. And the last tool that we're going to use is the code editor, and my code editor favorite is the Vscode. Okay, Vscode, we can type this on Google, codevisualstudio.com, and in my case is the .deb. Okay, but you could install on your platform as well. And when you finish installing it, will you access the Vscode, and there you could open, and on file menu you could open your new Angular app. I think that this is, at least the folder structure is already created by Angular CLI. I don't know if the dependencies are already downloaded. Okay, Angular app. We have a beautiful Angular app already. Yeah. In my favorite editor, it's Vscode. I will open a terminal here, and inside my new created Angular app, let me see in the terminal if the installation was successful. Okay, it was successful. you don't have to care about this npm warnings, okay, because you are downloading a dependency that has another dependence that has another and another and another and to the infinity, okay.